Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to WIDE G35 channel. And this channel, I'm basically going to be taking you through the steps to make your G35 wide. I've already started on mine. I've done the front, and I'm going to work on the rear today. Let's jump right into it. All right, so we did some work on the fender here. I went ahead and put some fiberglass Bondo hair. So it's just reinforced body filler, but super long strand, so it's up to cover 1 inch holes. So basically, I sanded down, as you saw earlier, and applied this here on both sides. Ignore that styrofoam for a bit, since we won't be touching on that. Like I said, I did on both sides. So come back over here. Right now, we're just waiting on it to cure. And I've tried to heat and speed up the cure time, but for some reason it's taken a while. But yeah, once this is done drying, we'll sand it down, and then we'll switch off from Bondo hair to Bondo glass. And with Bondo glass, we'll be able to actually create the mold. I like to use Bondo hair first, just so we can get that initial strong connection between the fiberglass and the metal. And like I said, ignore the fiberglass for now, or that foam. We'll come back to that, and I'll explain why I'm doing that. All right, guys, so we put in a lot of work today. I got a lot of wide body work done on this flare and the other one. Couldn't do a lot today because I came in late, but next weekend we'll be back again. I'll share another update. If you look at it kind of far away, it's starting to look like a complete wide body kit. Obviously, colors aren't there. I plan on painting this again, but right now, focus on the main transition from the bottom, right there, all the way to here. So stay tuned. This is day one, signing off.